Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I have worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice. How long? I've been in private practice for 40 years. I have been doing this for 50 years, and I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. Many of you have come to me through my seeing me on TV a lot. I've been on national news a lot. So you're welcome to go ahead and check my videos out on my team at 777irs.com. I do these videos for 3 reasons: to educate you, to give you insider information from the Internal Revenue Service, and to educate you. You know, most videos, maybe 95% of the videos I make is to really educate you into a particular problem that you have. Being a teaching instructor, I always look to teach first. Today, I want to talk to you today about really if you need an IRS appeal specialist or an IRS audit or collection problem specialist. Today, more or less, the appeal specialist. You know, many times you cannot resolve your IRS case the first time around, and IRS has different type of appeals. They have cap request, and they have this request, and they have that request. Well, at the end of the day, if you really want to succeed with Internal Revenue Service, you can't just call a normal company and hope they have a specialist on hand that does that. Most of these companies that you see on internet have 2 or 3 people that work in the back room that try to put on 1 or 2 hats and see if that fits all. What they usually do is they have a lead person or 2 or 3 people. They go ahead, they market, they get leads in their company. The leads try to sell you up, then they send the case back to the back office and hope they can go ahead and work your case. So if you have an IRS appeal that you have pending, either an audit or the collection division, and you really need help from former IRS agents who know what they're doing, we have over 250 years of direct IRS work experience. We have some of the best former IRS auditors on staff that worked in the appellate function. And as far as the collection division, if you have appeals, we have 3 or 4 former revenue officers and appeal specialists on staff. I think we have 4 former appeal officers on staff, all different sorts within the Internal Revenue Service. So, in fact, if you are looking for a specialist and on any level of expertise with the IRS, you may want to go ahead and call us. We'll give you a free consultation. We can't work every case because some of you don't qualify. So what we try to do is look at the situation you have and see if we add value. We do not pick up any money at all. I don't ask for a retainer unless I know I can bring value, or a firm can bring value to our team. So if you have an IRS tax audit, an appeal you need to file, or you have an IRS collection appeal you need to file, we are loaded with people that can help you. You're welcome to ask questions. Call us for free consultations. I hope you at least can give you some answers to the questions you have so you could make a valid decision on what you need. Once again, my name is Mike Sullivan. You can look at 777irs.com, look at our whole team of former IRS agents. And by the way, if you would give me a subscription, I'd really appreciate it. YouTube thrives on us getting subscriptions. So leave me a comment, a question. If you have a very specific question about an IRS appeal, just leave it here and one of us will get back with you. Thank you so much. I appreciate the subscription.